Do you remember when back in the day, public television stations would like offer you a mug if you like donated $40 and like kept kept the station going? Okay, this is like this. This is the story. So you guys know I am, God, Goddess willing, right? Traveling to Italy. This is the problem, and this does benefit you. So keep listening. My option in order to cover costs while I'm away is to Airbnb my place, but I really genuinely don't want to Airbnb it. I'll just really quickly give you some reasons that you can imagine. You can see my space behind me. It's lived in. I'd have to hide and move and take down a lot of my stuff, and I just really don't want to do it. I don't really want to Airbnb the place while I'm gone to cover the rent. And also, that would mean taking Percival and having a friend take care of him for 20 days. I just really don't want to do that. Okay, so this is my offer to you. You may know I've been working on a membership site. I have done that on and off in the past, but this time I am really committed to making it accessible and not overwhelming for you, because what I realized from doing it in the past is a lot of you, just like myself, you get overwhelmed. There's just too much content. What I want to do is show you my new community and make you an offer. So there are different levels of membership to join this community. It'll be a portal, a site. It's going to be where you can get various things. So let me show you. And this is what the page where you would join looks like. And then I'm just going to scroll down. And there are three different lengths of time. You can just join month to month, where you can stop at any time. You can join for 3 months at a time, which is only $11.99 a month then, or you can join for $129 as a sustaining member, and that will really help me not have to Airbnb. You will get a 60% discount on any printable art from my Etsy shop. The other two member levels get a 40% discount. Again, for a very limited time only, and they're great as gifts. I have about like 260 images in there, so there's a lot to choose from. And that is, of course, not including the content that you will get monthly in the Goddess portal. And then if you are a member and you log in, what will happen is that you'll get by email how you can use your email address, and you'll be given a password. Okay. And then let's see if we can look inside the actual membership. Let me see. So yes, you're just seeing this is very simple. I've just started, but I am going to keep it simple. I'll have relaxations, and this is the one that's just released, right? And it'll be in newest content, guided relaxation and release. I'll have meditations here. Wisdom will be writings. And then the most popular, I'll have yoga and chakra meditations. And so the first one that I've added is the sacral chakra yoga. I edited out part of it, so it starts a little bit sooner. And of course, there won't be any ads. It's still hosted on YouTube, but it's private. It'll be very, very simple. And you'll just come in, and I'll also add, goddesses, I think I'm going to add categories where, like, if you're stressed and tired, just go here. If you're feeling kind of down and a little bit blue or disheartened or depressed, go here. So I'll add that. But again, your support will allow me to build this out. So yeah, this is just the start, but there's already content in there for you to use. And just to be clear, there will be exclusive content, gated content as well, that is not available on YouTube. There will be guidance on the chakras, energy healing, yoga, holistic lifestyle. So there might be some recipes, smoothies, things like that. Once you make your payment, you'll see the thank you page, and you'll see the Etsy, the code of either 40% or 60%, depending on your choice. So let me show you my shop so you know what this could be. Okay, currently I have a 30% off for the general public, because on Etsy you kind of do need to run a sale all the time. But I have lots and lots of different categories. Some of them I'm just trying to see if they're popular on Etsy. I have Halloween stuff. So just a quick, I'm just scrolling through, but the categories are on the left. There's about 250 different digital art pieces that are available for sale. And then coming up, this was a piece that was very popular. And then I'm just showing here the sizes. You would get a file that could print in all of these sizes, okay? Up to 18 by 24, all right? And so they make great, great gifts. And again, you'd be supporting me. It's like PBS. It's Viv's fundraiser, soft launching of the membership community. And I'm going to send this out to first my email list. They always get notified of discounts first. And then I may put it up on YouTube as well. And I'll let you guys know if I am indeed able to not Airbnb. It literally would take so few of you. I would not have to Airbnb my space. And that would just take a load off of me. And what I would do then is work on building out the membership more. I could spend my time doing that instead of worrying about getting my place, organized and stripped down and buying new things so that a stranger can come and stay. So I'm not feeling it right now. In the future, if I'm traveling, I probably will Airbnb. But again, just, have enough time to do that by kind of pushing it out into the future. Thank you for your pledge. Thank you for your support. Percy thanks you too, because he'd really rather just stay in his home and have folks come and take care of him rather than having strangers take over the place. Right, Percy?